My dear friend, you and your fellow Panchas are elected to look after the socio-economic development and welfare of the people in the area of your Panchayat. There are very high expectations from your institution. Do you think that you have been able to fulfill these expectations? Perhaps system has not been created properly wherein you could really perform the job the satisfaction of the people. You may even say that adequate resources or responsibilities have not been given to you and the panchayat. Para. You may recollect that our dynamic leader and then the Prime Minister late Shri Rajiv Gandhi had addressed you in September 1989 about Panchayati Raj Bill, which was initiated by him to make your hands stronger. The steps initiated by him at that time we now taken a definite shape. Para. Development of our nation can only be achieved if our vast rural areas are developed. People living in rural areas have been suffering from poverty and unemployment and they do not have adequate purchasing power. In some of the problems are created from the poor people due to failure of monsoon and some of the areas are chronically drought affected. In these areas you are expected to play a much greater and responsive role so that relief could be provided to the needy people. Recently I have toured the drought affected regions in the states of Bihar, Madhya Pradesh and Orissa. It is my firm belief that relief programs can be administered in a better and systematic manner only. Para. I would like you to call a meeting of your panchayat and explain to the members the main features of the Panchayati Raj Constitution Amendment Act. Thereafter, I would like to call a meeting of the Gram Sabha to explain these matters to adult persons who live in the villages within your panchayat. It is particularly important that all the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes be called to this meeting. You must also specially ensure the participation of all the women of the panchayat in this meeting. Para. We are starting our together on a great adventure of democracy and development at the grassroots level. The success of our efforts will depend mostly on how you and your panchas undertake the responsibility entrusted to you. Success will also depend to some extent on the cooperation between you and the state government and the union government. I assure you of our utmost support and cooperation. Para. You may come across certain problems and will have a lot of suggestions in improving the decentralized model of administration envisaged in this Constitution Amendment Act. Please do not hesitate to private write me about the problems you encounter and the suggestions you might have for improving the work of the panchayat. My greetings and best wishes all of you.